Welcome to Bond Life, the premier destination for the ambitious man who wants to live the James Bond lifestyle. Learn how to build your James Bond persona. Changing lives since 1998, this is the original course taught by the author at the Learning Annex SpyFest. This 2015 SPECTRE edition has been expanded and updated, with 40 extra pages of new information to empower all areas of your life. Chapters include Reinvent Yourself, Bond Symbols for Change, Your Base of Operations, Your Appearance, The Bond Personality, Bond and His Cash, Your Bond Car, Bond Girls, Resort Hotels, Bond on the Job, Casino Gambling, Your Mission, Upgrading Your Image, The Greatest Adventure, The Ultimate Secret of Women and much more. At Bond Life you'll also discover 21 Rules of the James Bond Lifestyle. The 4 success steps that James Bond used in OHMSS. The power of a James Bond watch. James Bond cars. Why men want to be James Bond. And so much more. Visit the official website at bondlife.com and learn how to channel your own 007 and succeed in life.